The sun rises over the vast Saudi Arabian desert, painting the endless dunes in gold and amber. As the first rays of light stretch across the horizon, a sense of anticipation fills the air. But today, the familiar silence is broken by the distant rumble of engines. A convoy of massive trucks cutting through the morning haze, their headlights glinting with purpose. These trucks are more than just vehicles. They're the lifeblood of a nation in the midst of transformation, carrying not only goods, but also the hopes and ambitions of a new era. Each driver, guided by advanced navigation systems and real-time data, is a pioneer in Saudi Arabia's Vision 2030, steering the country toward a future that reaches far beyond oil. The roads they travel are new arteries of commerce, connecting once isolated cities, bustling ports, and sprawling industrial zones that have sprung from the sand almost overnight. Inside the trucks, construction materials destined for futuristic cities are carefully packed: steel beams, glass panels, and innovative building supplies for tomorrow's skylines. There are also consumer goods for a booming market, meeting the needs of a growing, youthful population, eager for change and new experiences, and equipment for new industries, machinery and technology that will power factories, workshops, and innovation hubs across the kingdom. This is a country reinventing itself, one lorry load at a time, as every journey brings Saudi Arabia closer to its bold vision for the future. The desert, once a formidable barrier, is now a highway to the future, a symbol of progress and possibility. The hum of engines replaces the silence of the dunes, forging a path to a new way of life, where ambition and innovation drive every mile. This is the sound of a nation on the move, turning obstacles into opportunities and forging a future as bright as the desert sunrise. In Saudi Arabia, the term liquid highway is more than just a catchy phrase. It's a powerful metaphor that captures the country's bold new approach to logistics and trade. It describes the seamless, uninterrupted flow of goods, materials, and resources across vast distances, moving as smoothly as water through a channel, connecting every corner of the nation. This ambitious $10 billion vision is transforming the very landscape of Saudi Arabia, turning once remote stretches of desert into a superhighway of trade and opportunity. Thousands of kilometers of newly built roads, state-of-the-art bridges, and upgraded infrastructure now make it possible for products to travel from bustling ports to thriving cities with unprecedented speed and reliability. This sweeping overhaul is shrinking distances, slashing transportation costs, and bringing businesses, suppliers, and consumers closer together than ever before. The investment isn't just in concrete and asphalt. It also includes cutting-edge digital systems that monitor, manage, and optimize traffic and logistics in real time. With these advancements, Saudi Arabia is positioning itself as a pivotal global hub, connecting the major markets of Asia, Europe, and Africa through efficient trade routes. The liquid highway is the backbone of this national ambition, carrying not just goods, but the hopes and economic future of an entire nation into a new era of prosperity. The liquid highway stands as a cornerstone of Vision 2030, representing not just a physical network, but a symbol of Saudi Arabia's ambition to transform its future. At the heart of this vision is a bold plan to diversify the nation's economy, moving beyond oil and investing in new sectors that will drive sustainable growth for generations to come. Billions of dollars are being poured into building roads, bridges, and advanced transport networks, especially in regions that are central to the kingdom's ambitious mega-projects and economic zones. The ultimate goal is to seamlessly connect ports, industrial cities, and urban centers, weaving them into a single, highly efficient ecosystem that supports rapid movement of goods and people. This integration allows raw materials to flow in smoothly, enables goods to be manufactured locally, and ensures exports can reach global markets faster and more reliably than ever before. A robust logistics network not only lowers business costs and increases efficiency, but also creates thousands of new jobs for Saudis and powers growth in manufacturing, tourism, and the rapidly expanding e-commerce sector, opening up new opportunities for entrepreneurs and investors alike. The liquid highway is more than just infrastructure, it's a strategic bet on a thriving post-oil future designed to make Saudi Arabia a global logistics powerhouse. By investing in building today, Saudi Arabia is laying the groundwork for decades of prosperity, innovation, and global competitiveness. Vision 2030 is coming to life, 1 kilometer at a time, shaping a future where opportunity and progress travel hand in hand. The expanding liquid highway is fueling a boom in Saudi Arabia's trucking industry. Valued at $6.4 billion in 2024, the sector is projected to reach $10.7 billion by 2033. New factories and industrial zones are driving demand for freight, making trucking the essential link in the nation's supply chain. Global giants like DHL and FedEx are investing, while local companies rapidly scale up to meet demand. The market is evolving. Temperature-controlled trucks, specialized vehicles, and advanced logistics are now the norm. Domestic freight dominates, highlighting the importance of internal trade. As the economy grows, so does the need for efficient, reliable trucking. The result, a virtuous cycle of growth, jobs, and opportunity. Saudi Arabia's logistics revolution is powered by technology, especially artificial intelligence. Modern trucks are mobile data centers, using AI to optimize routes, cut fuel use, and avoid delays. Predictive maintenance systems monitor engines and brakes, preventing breakdowns and keeping trucks on the road. AI-driven safety features, like driver monitoring and collision avoidance, reduce accidents and protect lives. Automated load planning ensures cargo is balanced and secure, minimizing risk. These innovations make the liquid highway faster, safer, and more efficient. Technology is transforming trucking from a traditional industry into a high-tech powerhouse. The result, lower costs, fewer emissions, and a logistics network ready for the future. In Saudi Arabia, smart roads mean smarter, safer commerce. E-commerce is exploding in Saudi Arabia, projected to reach $708.7 billion by 2033. Every online purchase sets off a chain reaction. Goods move from warehouses to homes, all relying on the liquid highway. Fast, reliable last-mile delivery is now essential, and logistics companies are racing to meet rising expectations. Warehouses and fulfillment centers powered by AI and robotics are springing up across the kingdom. But none of this works without efficient roads connecting every link in the chain. E-commerce is also transforming business-to-business trade, increasing freight volumes nationwide. Vision 2030's push for diversification means even more industries depend on strong logistics. The liquid highway is the foundation of Saudi Arabia's digital economy. The liquid highway is more than an infrastructure project. It's a symbol of a new Saudi Arabia. It connects cities, creates jobs, and brings opportunity to every corner of the kingdom. Small businesses reach new markets, families travel safer, and goods stay affordable. The logistics boom attracts global investment and powers economic diversification. Saudi Arabia is building a resilient, sustainable future, less dependent on oil, more connected to the world. The story of the liquid highway is one of ambition, vision, and progress. As trucks roll across the desert, they carry the hopes of a nation on the move. This is progress in motion, a liquid highway flowing toward a new dawn.